The future is so bright, oh. No matter what the obstacles, God will make a way for you. Oh.
Hey, Mama. So tomorrow is my traditional marriage. Hey! Very soon I'll go to the palace and I'll be addressed as Princess Ujunwa. Hey!
Ujibeke,
Mama, call me Princess Ujunwa.
my princess.
Mama. Hey! Good. I'm so happy.
Hey, I'm so happy that I'm alive to see you get married.
Mama, and you will be alive to carry my children.
My daughter, even if I die now, I will die a happy woman.
The gods forbid. I reject it. Mama, you will not die.
I know.
You will live to carry my children. Ha! Bikoko.
Ah! Gods of our land.
Thank you for blessing my offspring with a good husband. A prince for that matter.
Ha! Obianuchu, my daughter.
Mama.
The gods rewarded you with Prince Kenechukwu because you're a good maiden.
Hey, Mama. I can't thank the gods enough. This reward is too much. Me, Ujunwa the Akpu seller. Hey! Ujunwa Nebuari Akpu is now going to be addressed as Ujunwa, the queen. Mama, do you know that in the nearest future, I will be the queen of this kingdom? The queen of Nza kingdom. Hey, God.
Hi! Otaka God enjoy them, man.
The God said thank you.
Hi, my daughter.
Mama.
What else will I tell you than to be a good bride to your husband? I trust you.
Mama, I'll be a good wife to my husband. I'll respect my husband.
I know. No. Hi.
Mama, thank you.
You're welcome, my daughter. Okay, let's try and sleep. Eh? You know, tomorrow is a big day.
Mama, if you are saying it used to do me somehow, Mama. I cannot sleep.
I understand the feelings. Even me, I'm so happy. Just try and close your eyes. Eh? Close your eyes. You sleep. Let me.
Let me manage and see if I can sleep.
Just close your eyes. You won't know when you sleep.
We'll come together. We'll do my makeup.
Hey.
Okay, I called her.
Well.
Mama, let me just... Mama!
Don't move. Chimo. Don't move!
Chimo. Mama, pick up. Chimo. Please, my children. Hey, don't shoot. No, don't shoot. Hey, what? No. Mama, don't shoot.
Shut up!
Mama, don't shoot.
Shut up! Fast, fast! You. Come out.
Chimo.
Come out.
Help me.
Fast!
Mama,
My blood come out.
No.
Move it! Fast!
Mama,
Make a put out for your body. What to?
Hey, no.
Yeah, stand up.
Oh, shit.
Let's go. Move it. Just move it.
Please, I beg you not. Please. Where are you taking my daughter to, please? Where are you taking my daughter to?
Move.
Please, don't shoot.
Fast. Move it. Move. Make a put out for your body. What to?
Please, Nala.
Ujungwa. Shut up. Move up! Open the gate! Yes, my prince!
My king.
Where's the prince going to? And you let him go? Are you stupid?
Open the gate. Let's go now.
Will you shut up? Jimbo! DJ! Go and get me! Are you stupid? Open that gate!
Open the gate.
You should be sorry for yourself.
Mama? Hey! Ujunwa? Uju? Mama? Ujunwa? Oh my God. Hey! Who did this? Who did this? Mama? Hey! Whoever did this will never go scot-free. Oh. Hey!
king, wake up.
What is it?
Wake up. Wake up, my king. I think there's a problem.
Problem?
Yes.
Problem?
Yes. Kenechukwu hurried out of the palace. He drove off to an unknown destination.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Did he say where he's rushing to anyone?
He never did. I asked the guards to follow him. I just prayed they will meet up with him.
Where on earth will he be rushing to?
I wouldn't know. Because with the haste he drove off, I don't know, I just pray nothing happens to him. I just pray the guards will meet up with him.
How on earth would someone whose traditional wedding is just a few hours away wake up in the middle of the night, rushes out without saying anything to anybody?
Sweetheart, it beats my imagination. It beats my imagination. Gods of our land, please protect my son.
Don't worry, nothing.
Nothing should happen to him. He's all
Nothing.
of God.
Nothing, I repeat. Nothing evil will happen to our son.
All
The
of
prince.
God.
It's okay.
He's
It's
all I have.
It's okay.
Oh no! Where could my son be? Where? Igwe, if anything happens to my son,
My man! My man! Yeah, he's back home!
Did you hear that?
He's back! My man!
I'm certain they're finally here. They are. Where is my son?
Your Majesty, we couldn't find him.
This is not happening. Gods of our ancestors.
Did you hear them?
We searched for him the whole kingdom, but could not see him.
Did you hear them?
Gods of our ancestors. Protect my son.
Someone must be responsible for this. Someone.
Did you go to June's house?
No, Your Highness. It never occurred to us to search for him in his fiance's place.
Yes. He could be. He could be there. He could be. Could have gone there. But for what? For what?
How can the priest just wake up in the middle of the night and drive off? Only God knows where.
Iwe. We would have sent the guards to me when his house to check if Enechukwu is there.
The guards are also human beings. Why bother them?
Your Highness, my son is nowhere to be found. Do you know what the time is? It's past 2 a.m. His traditional marriage is today. I am sure that the enemies of this royal family are at it again. I'm sure.
My queen, the prince drove out of this palace himself. I know he will come back.
Is that all you could say?
Try to calm yourself down. Take it easy on yourself. See, in situations like this, you must learn to calm yourself down. I am very sure that the gods of our land will not allow Kenechukwu to be hurt.
Then where is my son?
Our son.
Where is Kenechukwu?
Our son will come back. I am sure of that.
Marriages, traditional marriages today. He needs to come back.
He will come back.
Oh,
My face is back! He's back! I tell you!
What are these people doing in my compound?
This would not have a confession to you.
But not in my house, but at the police station.
You need to hear this. Hey, go.
Chief, we are sorry. Your daughter Isabella hired us to kidnap her.
Isabella?
Yes, Chief. And in getting there, her mother tried to stop her, and my colleague here shot her.
What? You mean Obi-Wan is dead?
Chief, please. I'm sorry, it wasn't intentional.
My friend, shut up!
Chief!
Isabella! Isabella! Do you know these people? Do you know these people? That's what I asked. Do you know these people? I said.
killed my mother.
What?
She asked his boys to shoot my mother. My mother is dead.
Isabella, so you are responsible for the death of my in-law. Igodo.
They caught these hoodlums here trying to whisk away with Roma and their target tonight. We apprehended them and they confessed that Isabella here is the one that's actually happened.
It's marriage, my friend. Do you force a man to marry you? Aren't you ashamed?
Well, I didn't ask them to kill the woman. I only asked them to kidnap this fool here so that the marriage would not hold.
And what did you gain? Huh? Have you gained anything in all this?
Igodo, I must commend you and your men for your effort. I know it's because of your obligation to this kingdom. I must commend you most especially for the rescue of my daughter-in-law, Princess Obianoju. You will be well rewarded. Now here is my verdict. Igodo, hand them over to the police.
Hey!
Isabella. My nigga.
My king? My king, I didn't ask him to kill the women. Please.
Take them away.
I'm sorry.
A good child is a blessing to herself and society. A bad child is a burden to himself and community. Don't be a bad child, don't be a burden. It never pays, never will.
Are you the person who came to see me?
Isabella.
You know my name?
Yes.
Who are you?
My name is Philomena. Does it ring a bell?
Hold on. Are you my mother?
Yes.
Why are you here? To mock me, right? You left me when I was just 7, only to resurface in my late 20s. What kind of a mother are you? You abandoned me and disappeared into thin air.
What told you?
You are a very wicked woman. I do not wish to have anything to do with you. Not now, not ever. Officer, take me out.
Please, my daughter, please. Help, please. Please. Oh my God, calm down.
Here. I'm listening.
Please sit down. I want to tell you.
I am listening.
Please sit, my daughter.
Can you talk? I'm listening.
Your father wanted me dead. So I had to run for my dear life.
times have I warned you to desist from eating in my parlor?
Mommy, I'm pregnant now. I'm sorry.
Pregnant? Are you the only one that is pregnant? Are you the only one that is pregnant? You are pregnant. Are you the first woman that got pregnant?
I'm sorry. But I'm not very tired. You know I'm pregnant. See my condition.
Why is this your pregnancy a problem to me? You are a first timer. Come on, take all these things. Come, take this thing now out of. Take it away.
Mommy, help. Help, Chineke. Look at my body. Oh God. Why is this man treating me like a stupid woman? Am I stupid getting pregnant for him? Look at me. Look at me. Help!
What is your problem? Are you taking cocaine or something?
If you ask me those your silly questions again, I will remove your teeth.
Okay, remove it.
I will remove your teeth. I'll remove it.
Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. If you touch me with those your filthy hands again. Oh, you have a family to contend with. My brothers will come and kill you.
Is it
what kind of family is that?
Is it when you are dead?
Yes. You want to kill me now? Useless man, shameless animal. Look at my condition. Wicked man. Try it again. Try it again. I don't know if you're mad. What kind of man is this? Shameless man. Useless. Waka. Husbands will come out. You come out. Waka there. Waka. Look at my condition. He doesn't even care. Idiot! To fear again! I don't even know why I got pregnant in the first place. Hey, God. Jesus! Williams! What's this? Drugs? Williams! Oh, God. Hey! No wonder you're always going wacko. Hey! Williams, you're doing drugs. Oh my God. Hey! Williams. Drugs! Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God, Jesus! Hey! Jesus!
Come back here! Come back here!
I'm so sorry, Isabella. Your father forbade me from seeing you or coming close to you ever since I left. Your dad went into 3 more marriages. After I left, nothing. Oh God. The 3 marriages couldn't work. His addiction to hard drugs made it impossible for him to live with a woman. It's so unfortunate. We had to turn his footsteps.
You destroyed me. He never saw anything wrong with what I was doing. He never cautioned me. Even when I got addicted to drugs, he didn't tell me the dangers in doing drugs. Rather, he overpowered me. He was told and pushed you over to the prince. How did you know? I was away, but very close. I watched you. I tried, but something always took hold of me. Drugs. Influences negatively.
Hey, time off.
I'll pray, I'll pray.
Princess, hurry up.
Oh, Mom, you know what? You women, you're all the same. Yeah, you are all the same.
If you want to be a good husband, you must learn how to be patient with her.
Oh, God. Babe, where are you? Come on.
I'm coming.
We're late.
My pretty princess. Take it easy.
Pretty preggy. See my baby.
My pretty friend.
Pretty preggy.
My pretty friend.
You look good.
Honestly, you're looking fabulous. No, you don't need to bang. Come on.
Hold on. Just be there. Be there. Okay. Hold on. Beautiful. Wow. Baby, you look good. Look at you. Come on, turn around, turn around. Please, come on, turn around. Let me look at my baby. Wow. Wow. You look good. Look at my baby. Okay, okay. Let's do it now.
Like taking pictures.
Beautiful.
I'm going to miss you. Take care of yourself. Come on, are you sitting?
You awake? Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah, I'm going to miss. I will miss you so much. Don't forget to call me.
Mom, my baby, come on. Easy.
Can you stop? My grandchild.
Okay.
Please take care of yourself.
Sure.
Okay, let's go now.
Please, take care of her.
I will, Mom. I will. Come on,
You
babe.
call me all the time. Do not forget.
I got you back.
Come on, sweet.
Let's go.
So much. Yeah, bye.
Your happiness must be complete.
Cheers.
And the gods.
A good child is a blessing to himself and family, but a bad child is a trouble to entire community. Don't be a bad child, don't be a burden, it never pays. Learn the lessons. So how long is it gonna be this way now? How long before we learn our lessons? Society we're living in is a reflection of the family. So let's be guided, let's be guided. Say how long it's gonna be this way now? How long before we learn our lessons? Society we're living in is a reflection of the family. So let's be guided, be guided.